Previously, we explored the different ways you can use KnowledgeNet to find prospects. By surfacing contact information using LinkedIn, by finding employee lists on company websites, and by searching the KnowledgeNet database. This video shows you 3 different ways to save prospects to KnowledgeNet lists and why it's a best practice to do so. Let's start with the first way, exporting prospects individually from the widget. This method is common when you use the browser extension to research and reveal contact information for a specific person, or when you want to cherry pick from a list of search results. Start by opening the KnowledgeNet widget on your specific contact. In this example, let's use the browser extension on a LinkedIn profile page. If this prospect is a good fit for me, I will navigate to the List tab and select Add to a KnowledgeNet list. I can add them to a list I've already started, or I can create a new list on the fly. It's super simple to create a new list. Just give it a name and decide if you want it to be private, visible only to you, or public, visible to anyone on your KnowledgeNet team. In cases where you have dozens or hundreds of promising results from a KnowledgeNet search people or search company query, you will want to know how to do a bulk export to a list. With a bulk export, you can add up to 200 records at a time to a list. With 20 results shown per page, this means that you can select up to 10 pages to export, for as many pages as your credits allow. When you click the bulk export button on top of your search results, you open a window that allows you to select your page range and, optionally, choose how to sort your records. Click Next, and you will see an estimated credit spend alert. KnowledgeNet deducts 4 credits the first time it reveals or exports a contact's full information. Click Next again, then choose Save to a KnowledgeNet list. Select an existing list or create a new one. You will find all the lists you've built in the List section of the KnowledgeNet web app. Finally, you may have an existing list that would be helpful to bring into KnowledgeNet to look for additional information. If you have either email addresses or website addresses, you can quickly recreate your list inside KnowledgeNet. To do this, start by creating the list to which you are going to add items by going to the List section and clicking the blue Create New List button. Name your list and choose the privacy setting, then click Save. Now you are on your new, empty list. Click the Add New Item button, then click Bulk Upload. Go to your source list and copy the website addresses or email addresses. Return to KnowledgeNet. Paste your data in the text box and click Next. Preview and click Save. Empty and header rows will be flagged and ignored. Here are some of the benefits you get when saving prospects to KnowledgeNet lists. See when others have had interactions with a contact or account. Warm up outreach by discovering personal connection paths. Find additional contacts when needed. Use your AI assistant on the Info tab to find similar companies or help you generate an outreach email. Finally, lists are easy to export to Excel spreadsheets or connected CRM. Happy list making!